Yeah, I spoke to the executive director of Red Rock Behavioral Health Center, who says they've actually already been impacted, specifically by that multi-million-dollar budget shortfall. So she agrees with the late night firing of the director.
I think that it's time for a new era.
Out with the old and in with the new, even with an uncertain future. Oklahoma's Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services faces a multi-million-dollar budget shortfall, and today they're left without a commissioner.
I think that it's time for a new era. I think it's time for someone else to get in there and look at what's going on and, be willing to get around the table with us and problem solve.
Allie Friesen was let go from her position in one of the legislature's final moves of their regular session late Thursday night.
We have to protect the people of the state of Oklahoma that need mental health services.
Verna Faust is the executive director of Red Rock Behavioral Health Services and says their agency has been feeling the trickle effect of that agency's budget shortfall. She sent this letter to the department prior to Friesen getting fired, letting them know just how much it has impacted them.
Because of funding issues, Red Rock was going to need to downsize our crisis unit in Norman from 40 beds to 20 beds.
Beds that are essential.
If there's no beds, there's not any beds available, then that puts a burden on Griffin Hospital and other crisis units in the state because of a lack of beds.
That letter was sent in the middle of an investigation into the Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services. Faust says she's disheartened at how everything's played out, and now there's still uncertainty on how they'll fill that funding gap.
We have to have funding to run. We have to have funding to pay staff. And so, even though it's all complicated funding, at the end of the day, it all comes down to having enough funding to do what we need to do. I've been doing this a long time, and it's heartbreaking to watch what's happening to our mental health system.
And the next step is for Governor Kevin Stitt to appoint a new mental health commissioner. Reporting live at the Capitol, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.